The word stress has been demonized by many, and sometimes the actual stress itself is connected to the word stress. When we actually look at what stress is vital to how we stimulate growth, how we create adaptations across all these systems in our body. And there's actually a lot of research that actually then connects stress back to longevity and well-being within humans. Some examples being, looking at, for example, learning. Stress and frustration are the entry point of learning. We can't learn and evolve, for example, different movements or really refine those skills without being exposed to these stressors or these frustrations, because that's what then really connects back to then improving neurologically then how we then start to, for example, learning these skills. For example, there are things such as kind of muscular performance, physiologically, anatomically, bone density, for example, all connects back to being exposed to these external stresses, say, for example, training, heavy lifting. We need that stimulation again. The idea of stress, stimulation, adaptation, and growth. The muscles really can't grow, bones can't become more dense unless they're exposed again to these external stresses. Things like emotional stresses. We become more tolerant in life when we get exposed to lots of intolerances. How do we get more emotionally resilient and less stressful emotionally when we actually get initially exposed to very stressful emotional situations? So in our emotional well-being, that evolves when it's exposed to those early kind of stressful emotional situations. And in many cases, stress is a perception. What one person perceives as very stressful, someone else can see as an opportunity. So there's a lot of evidence that connects back to then really how someone sees stress. Is this a chance to evolve? They see the real benefit, the advantageous side of stress, or does somebody then stress is the worst on the planet? So there's a lot of evidence around this, that how we perceive stress, how we choose to see it. Is it a wonderful thing, or is it then, for example, the worst on the planet? So without stress, we cannot then stimulate growth. Stress is also hugely connected to, for example, longevity. Unless we keep stress in the mind and stress in the body over short periods of time, that then really connects back to both improved performance, improved longevity, and improved well-being.